Dogecoin may rise 4.4% tomorrow, according to Coin Data Flow. Let's kick off with a glance at the most recent market activity. As of the latest update, Dogecoin is up 2% in the past 24 hours and is trading close to $0.07433. Let's see what the analysts predict today. Tomorrow, CoinLore anticipates a drop toward $0.0716, which would mean a decrease of about 3.7%. Coin price forecast expects Dogecoin could approach $0.0739, an estimated move down of 0.6%. Trader Sunyan points out it could strengthen to $0.0756, a move up of approximately 1.7%. Another projection from Coin Data Flow indicates Dogecoin may head towards $0.07761, again estimated at 4.4%. And lastly, Crypto Predictions projects the price at $0.09035 by July 11, which is 21.5% above today's price. This is the top return projection of all we covered. 5 takes on tomorrow are in. Let's keep going. We've seen the projections. Time to check the forecast metrics. Looking at the projections, the market could shift between a decline of 3.7% and an increase of 21.5%. After comparing all 5, Crypto Predictions leads with 21.5% upward change in value by July 11. That makes it possible to bring in between $6 and $215 for every $1,000 you invest. When it comes to probabilities, Coin Price Forecast is the most reliable, with a 86.8% chance of success. After reviewing all 5 forecasts, I've mapped out a consensus path. The consensus forecast points to Dogecoin rising by about 4.7%. Here's the full picture. Consensus assessment puts the price up around 4.7%. In line with that move, your capital would also reflect a gain of 4.7%. With $1,000 invested, the projection might correspond to a gain of about $47. In practical terms, the chance of the consensus forecast for Dogecoin proving accurate is around 45.9%. From here, let's see what analysts are signaling for the 3-day direction. A bearish outlook is projected by CoinLore, pointing to a decline. Coin Price Forecast sees prices holding within a tight band. Also, Trader Sunyan indicates that Dogecoin will likely stay level, reflecting market indecision. Coin Data Flow expects an upward trajectory in the short term. In line with this, meanwhile, Crypto Predictions projects continued growth. The consensus stance presents Dogecoin with an upward-leaning trajectory over this short-term horizon. So, the shared outcome highlights that the majority see Dogecoin falling. 5 sites published forecasts 2 days ago. Let's see how they held up in reality. As a result, yesterday's chart closed at $0.07291. All 5 analysts were on the same side, and they were right. If we judge by accuracy, Coin Price Forecast had the strongest forecast. Let's take a closer look at the details. A total of 2 predictions ended up inside the daily range. Looking at ROI, all analysts achieved gains, with Trader Sunyan ranking first. And here's the daily recap, the full picture of forecast accuracy in one frame. Meanwhile, Coin Price Forecast had a probability score of 81.6% in accuracy and an ROI reaching 1.6%. See if you can spot the forecast that proved most accurate. Now let's see how Dogecoin's potential forecasted return compares with those of other assets. AVE takes the lead at 5.6% while Dogecoin sits lower in rank. At the moment, Dogecoin is reviewed with 4 cryptocurrencies, but a full comparison featuring many others is already live on my website. If this saved you some research time, drop a like to let me know it helped. See you next time.